good. Lindsay, you dancing?
Yeah.
Keep going. Do another one, Steve. Move, Kenai. Lindsay. Lindsay.
Oh, you're silly.
Lindsay. Lindsay, say hi. Lindsay, say hi.
Look at her eyes.
Oh, I gotta get it. Move, Kenai. Lindsay, what you doing? Oh.
Let's get away from the fire a little bit. Let's get home.
Lindsay, what you dancing? Lindsay, here.
Do that cat one.
Lindsay, here. Lindsay. Oh, that wasn't hot. Too bad. Lindsay, what's with that? With the arm? I don't get it.
I'm just sorry. Not everyone that starts out like this, she does this.
Yeah. He didn't do the arms up and down yet?
You see the facial expression?
Yeah, he's... Jesse, you're a goofball.
Sci-fi. Okay, easy, Jess. Don't knock her over.
Lindsay, what are you doing? She's like all serious. Oh. Okay.
Jesse, where do you doing?
He inherited his rhythm from you. See, Lindsay got hers somewhere else. Thank goodness. Lindsay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say daddy.
Daddy.
Jesse, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wait, dance to that one. That's funny.